Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs on the headlights. To replace the bulbs on the full beams, the dipped beams and the parking lights, remove the cover. Remove the electricity connector for the light bulb by pulling on the back part, not on the wires. To release the bulb, you have to simultaneously put pressure on and push the holding clip upwards to free the studs. Then, remove the bulb.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Position the bulb in its housing, then push the hooks down and finish by locking it into the holding studs. Plug the connector back in. To replace the parking light, take the block power terminal and pull on it, making slight back and forward movements to release it. This will allow you to remove the bulb from its housing. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb board and make a turn anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.